Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm really excited because I'm just looking at all these products lined up and I just can't wait to talk to you about them. I'm going to show you all of my most favorite lip glosses. So the glassiest, glowiest, juiciest, most reflective formulations that I personally own and love. One of these brands is a line of lip gloss that I swear I've been wearing for like 10 years. It feels like it has to be 10 years at this point that this gloss has been on the market, and I always love it and go back to it. And then some newer lip glosses as well that are newer discoveries. So I'm just really excited to show you guys these. Feel free to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe if you want to see more from me. And why don't we go ahead and get into it. All right guys, so the first product I wanted to share are these Maybelline Lifter glosses. I love these. As soon as I tried them, I just got really excited that these were now in my life. I feel like they're a really great drugstore dupe for the Fenty gloss bombs. Everything from the packaging to the big doe foot applicator and just the look of them on the lips kind of remind me of the gloss bombs, which could easily be in this video as well. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty dang close. I think there's a little bit of confusion. Like, a lot of people think they're plumping glosses because of the way they, the language they use to describe these and Maybelline's promotion for these, but they're actually just full of hyaluronic acid. So it kind of makes your lips look plumped up and more smooth and full because they're super hydrated. They just are so gorgeous. They give you the most full, dimensional look to your lips. They're really beautiful. The one I have on right now is actually called Reef, and it's a bit of a pinkier tone. It's like a creamier finish. Stone is gorgeous. It's like more of a brownie nude color. And then this one that I have that's more of the metallic sheen, not metallic, shimmery sheen is called Topaz. So these are the three colors that I have and I wear all the time. They're honestly all fairly similar, a little interchangeable. I wouldn't say you need every single one of these. I enjoy having every single one of them though. So I highly recommend these. These are phenomenal. Okay, so next up, I love these too, you guys. Oh, I have a drugstore product that I actually own quite a few of. The e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balms, which I am gonna just include them in this video because I feel like I use them in my makeup routine as a lip gloss step. I have a love-hate relationship with the packaging. I feel like the packaging is so beautiful and perfect to look at in every way, but I will say the one downside is that they are kind of hard to get out of the tube. I personally don't mind it just because I love these so much, but there are days when I'll be pressing it against the corner of a table with the palm of my hand with all my body weight trying to get these out of the tube. I'm hoping in the summertime it'll be a bit easier, as you know, makeup tends to get a bit more melty and softer in the summer with the higher temperatures, so we'll see. But like I said, I will still continue to use these. I just absolutely love these. These are a bit of more of a jelly formulation. This is Mighty Mint, which is clear. This one is just Peachy, which smells exactly like a Peachio, and this is Grapefruit. But this color here, I have so many of these. I've been wearing these non-stop for the past 6 months. This is called Tough Cookie. It is it's very similar to the Stone shade that I just showed you in the Maybelline Lifter glosses. It's that perfect brownie, pinky, mauvey, still warm, nude, everyday type of color that I always gravitate to. I just love it so much. It smells incredible. It smells like a cookie. As soon as it hits the warmth of your lips, it completely melts and just blankets them beautifully. And it's just so glossy and gorgeous and lush. It's just, they are so beautiful. Like I said, especially this color, I feel like this one is just so special and really gorgeous. So I'd highly recommend you guys try these out if you don't mind that little fault, I guess. Okay, so next up, I have these Colourpop So Juicy Plumping glosses. I love these. I feel like they're just such a great lip product. I have a ton of these everywhere. I have them in my car, in my purse, all over my house, just scattered everywhere. And the colors are just perfect. They have so many beautiful pinky nude everyday shades. This one is Beachwood. It's a little bit deeper of a neutral. This is She's Here and Roundabout, which are pretty neutral pinks. And I feel like they're just that perfect kind of creamy, full body pigmentation that you want in a plumping gloss. It just looks so believable and authentic on the lips. It just sits on the lips just right. I've tried other plumping glosses where they're tinted and they just look so strange. So your lips will be candy apple red underneath, and then the tinted aspect of the gloss just kind of floats on top of that. And it just all looks very weird and strange, and it doesn't mesh well. These never do that. It's a subtle plump, so it just enhances what you've got. They're so great for touch-ups too. They're like perfect on-the-go formulas. Really the one and only, the one we've all been waiting for, the Tower 28 ShineOn lip jellies and milky lip jellies. As soon as I tried these, I just knew, you know, it's one of those moments in your life where you're like, this is gonna be a holy grail product. Also, please excuse the clear one. Like, I know it's not clear, but I just layer them up so much. It's happening. These are honestly just so beautiful to like hold in your hands. I know it sounds weird. It's just a nice user experience with these. I love the packaging. I love even the way like the doe foot kind of feels gliding across your lips. It's just such a nice little glossy moment to have in your day. I love the cushiony, like very jelly, gel-like texture of these. And if you love an ultra shiny, almost watery, glossy look to your lips, this would be like the quintessential lip product for you. They're never sticky. And I feel like all the jelly themed products that are coming out now are just so nostalgic for me because that is what people were buying when I was a kid. I remember shopping for products like that at Claire's when I was little. So it's kind of fun now that they have adult versions that are like the high performing, beautiful quality versions of those products. Okay, so this is the product that I've been wearing. It's gotta be, I feel like it's gotta be 10 years because I remember someone would always tell me in the comments of my videos, like when I first started my channel 10 years ago, that I was saying the word Buxom wrong. I was saying it Buxom. Yeah, the little things that you remember and your brain never lets you ever forget are astounding, aren't they? Okay, so these are the Buxom full-on plumping lip creams. They are just so incredible. I feel like I just keep coming back. I mean, I do. I keep coming back over and over and over again to these. I've honestly had to actively make myself stop using this. Otherwise, I would never try any other glosses. Like the color quality of these glosses, the special way they're pigmented and like the way the pigmentation is kind of suspended in the gloss is so perfect. It kisses your lips with this glowy color that looks like it's almost lit from within. It's so beautiful. It also gives you a gorgeous like crystal-y type of shine. Plumps up your lips and makes them look really enhanced and full and gorgeous too. This is just a really great product too for the everyday makeup consumer out there who just needs a good reliable lip product. Doesn't have to be crazy fancy or anything. You know, you want to make sure you can apply it without a mirror and you're not worried about the color bleeding or feathering or going everywhere or running or melting. And it's just gonna look natural and gorgeous. I feel like that is what these are, and they always have been for me. And every time I apply them, I don't know, it's just like it's an old friend. Feels like a family member at this point. I just really love these glosses so much. I heard a lot about these when they first came out and for the years after and stuff, but nowadays I don't know. Do you guys feel like they don't get enough love, or do you guys even like these? Let me know in the comments down below. Next up is a product that I talked about a lot last year when I discovered it, the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. Wait a second, no, this isn't the one. This is the one in Date Night. This is a bit deeper. So this is a really pretty color, especially if you're looking for like a fall tone, if you have a deeper skin tone and want to go for more of like a deeper mauve berry color. It is really, really pretty. So for me, this is more of a fall winter shade. Okay, I found it. This is Birthday Suit. So this one is more of like a cool tone mauvey pink, but it's just a really great color. These have a really nice scent. It's hard to explain, but it's nice. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb scent a little bit. This formula is so richly pigmented and high shine. It's just like creamy and luscious. And I wore these so much last summer, and even on the hottest days, it does not melt or bleed or smudge. Even through eating or drinking, it just like grips onto your lips so well. It almost like hugs your lips. And I feel like you can get such an amazing application with this doe foot. For some reason, it just goes on perfectly. I don't even need a lip liner if I don't have one or don't want to use one. It just always goes on really, really flawlessly. I feel like these last so long, and eventually as the shine does start to kind of wear away, you're still left with a lip color that looks purposeful. Like it just kind of looks more like a satiny version of the lip polish. It still looks so beautiful. I don't want to say it like stains your lips, but it kind of like, it just leaves like a beautiful finish behind that just, they look so much fuller and more enhanced even after this is kind of worn away. So it's a really cool product. The only downside for me is they have these two colors here, but besides that, the other shades don't really do much for me. I just really wish they had a wider variety of shades in the line. That would be fantastic. Revlon, please. And I did go on the Revlon website the other day just to kind of check out the reviews for these. Every now and then I just get a little curious, like do other people love these as much as I do? And oh my gosh, they have just phenomenal reviews on the website. So other people I can see are loving these too, and they're just a wonderful little, I think, hidden gem at the drugstore. And again, apologies if you can hear all the music outside, but people are doing like an interpretive dance class outside my house. And then the last gloss that I had to show you guys, this one is a little bit more pricey, so I don't have a ton of colors, but this is so pretty, and I feel like whenever I do get one of these, it's like a special day. It's a special treat. The Pat McGrath Labs Lust glosses are just perfect. They're gel formula that are very uniquely dimensional looking, and they're super smooth, and they just hit the light in the perfect way, and it just glistens. Like, they just look so gorgeous and really enhance kind of the curvature of your lips, I would say. They just really enhance your lips so much. They're absolutely stunning. It just gives you that dimensional lip look that just pops. This one is Gold Allure, and it is a beautiful, it has like antique-y greenish gold shimmer in there, peach, yellow, traditional gold, like some pink, lots of different colors in here. This one I have had off and on for a couple years now. I just love it. It's so pretty. It's a great one for fall time. Like if you layer this on a brown lip color or a red or anything like that, you're just gonna get the most unique combination. Maybe on top of a brown lip, it would read a little bit more bronze, and it just looks like biscuit. What are you doing? It just looks mesmerizing. It's the only way I can describe it, but it's wearable. And then Peach Perversion, which is just kind of your traditional peachy pink color. Still so gorgeous. The color is just the perfect, like, fresh peach, and it just, again, gives you that gorgeous reflection. So I really love these. They're a bit of a splurge. Could you find this color in other glosses that are maybe more affordable? Yes, but I honestly feel like the Gold Allure shade, I've never seen anything like this ever. Like, I've seen gold shimmery glosses, but none of them look like this on the lips. None of them look as beautiful as this one. So I feel like this is just a gorgeous, luxurious, and unique and special product at the same time. So I wanted to mention it as well. All right, guys, so that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, like top 10, top 5, top 7, top 8 type of product videos. Let me know down below in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye.